Continue with a lot of weather to talk about, and that Colorado low we've been tracking really slamming Minneapolis, Duluth, and the Sioux Falls area. So whether you're traveling out of our area to the south or southeast, you're going to be impacted. Gorgeous setting sun today, captured by our Home of Economy camera in the Grand Forks area. Speaking of that, now we've got that pointed up at that almost full moon, and this little dot you see there, that star-looking thing to the right, that's Mars. Neat sky. It's finally nice to see some clearing of the sky. Here's a look at the storm system, and that low pressure center is spinning and is kind of diving its way south into Des Moines. The storm is actually split into a couple different areas of low pressure, but one of them has just been parked and continues to deliver snow right into the Twin Cities, where reports through this afternoon were upwards of 14 and 15 inches, and it continues tonight. And again, a look at that snow band locator near the radar sites. This is most accurate. You get in between and it's not as accurate, but here near Sioux Falls you can see that bullseye right there, not far from them where you see the whites. That's where we saw a few reports of upwards of 24 to 27 inches of snow. And look at the Twin Cities right smack dab in the middle of that pink area there, 10 to 15. Also a band that crosses right over I-35 between Duluth and Minneapolis. Here's your snow showers continuing for Minneapolis. It does extend out to St. Cloud. Most of the snow showers in our area have diminished to at best a few flurries, but it continues to swirl bands of light snow through the Sioux Falls area, which just reinforces the slippery on area roads. So all the way from Little Falls right across the I-94 corridor, you're looking at St. Cloud all the way up towards Sauk Center. Well, we continue to see those bands swirl through, and yeah, the Twin Cities. More shovel trouble than they would like, that's for sure. Visibility down to 0 in Langdon, a third of a mile in Roseau. So there are areas of tricky visibility with that fog setting up, and it's providing us with the beautiful hoarfrost that you've sent us so many awesome photos. Go check them out, valleynewslive.com. It's 2 below right now in Devil's Lake and Langdon. The rest of us warm. Look at this. It's almost 30 degrees warmer for those folks in Brainerd, Wadena at 21.5 in Grand Forks. Right now, Fargo, 4 degrees, northwest wind, 10 miles per hour. And looking at the dike in Grand Forks, it's 5. It feels like 7 below with our wind that's under 10 miles per hour. As we go through the overnight hours, there's your fog chance spreading through the valley, northwest Minnesota. Temperatures will cool in our central Minnesota counties as this storm exits. The snow showers for Minneapolis should wrap up by morning, but they could still see another 3 to 5 inches of snow in parts of the metro area the way things are looking right now. Wind picks up from the west and northwest. It looks like a cool day, but we will make it to the mid-teens, and dare I say, a little split in the clouds might mean a few rays of golden sunshine will work their way down, and that'll feel pleasant. As temperatures will still be below average, we peak in the mid-teens, a little bit of sunshine, west wind at around 15 miles per hour. Your hometown forecast shows all of us will be in the teens, so that's a big cool down for our central Minnesota counties who have been in the 20s. See the white line? That's a freezing line. It makes it as far south as Oklahoma on Thursday. Then the travel conditions should be pretty good. We do have a chance for some unsettled weather making its way through the Central Plains on Saturday. If you're going to drive late, know that when you pass through Kansas City, you may see some unsettled weather. Game day temperatures will be falling a bit as a cool front works its way through Texas. They're going to have to suffer with some 60s. We'll have frost under a cotton candy sky. Cindy, thanks for your beautiful frosty photo. Temperatures cooling off, but look at that. More sunshine in the forecast for Saturday. And we're going to duplicate that again with 20 whole degrees on Sunday. Get your kazoos out and go spend some time picking ice.